Hello everyone, welcome back to my tantalizing bites. Today I will be sharing my recipe for chicken steaks in a creamy mushroom sauce. This is a restaurant level meal, very delicious and super easy to make. You are gonna love it. We're not gonna waste any more time, let's get started. We are gonna season 2 pounds of thin cut chicken breast fillets with a teaspoon each of salt, red chili flakes, black pepper, and garlic powder. Once your chicken breast fillets are nicely coated with the seasoning, you are going to set it aside for at least 30 minutes. If you can do this overnight, that would be the best. While the chicken is marinating, I'm going to crush 8 to 10 cloves of garlic. We need about 2 heaped tablespoons. Slice up about 10 to 15 mushrooms. Now we are going to take our chicken breast fillets and lightly dust them with some all-purpose flour. If you are trying to avoid any kind of extra carbs, you can skip this step. Next, we are going to heat up a couple of tablespoons of oil in a wide pan on medium heat. Once your oil is nice and hot, you're going to place your chicken in an even layer. Cover with a lid and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. After about 3 to 4 minutes on each side, these are perfectly done. They have a nice golden color. I'm going to remove these and I'm going to continue cooking the rest of my chicken fillets. Now that all my chicken fillets are ready, I'm going to take about 2 or 3 tablespoons of butter in the same pan. Once my butter has melted, I'm adding my crushed garlic. I'm going to saute this for about 30 seconds. After that, I'm going to add my sliced mushrooms, and we are going to saute these for about 1 minute. After a minute, I'm going to add 1 cup of heavy cream. I am also going to add half a cup of water. The reason my water is looking so white is because I use the same cup for the water that I used for the cream. I'm going to squeeze in some fresh lemon juice. And now I'm just going to season with half a teaspoon of salt, about a teaspoon of oregano, black pepper, and red chili flakes. Next, we are going to add a couple of tablespoons of Parmesan cheese. This will make the sauce even more creamier and richer. Now we are going to add all of our chicken fillets back into this creamy sauce. And I don't like to waste any of those juices that came out of the chicken. I love to add that into my sauce. I'm just going to cover this and let it cook for about 5 to 10 minutes on low heat. Today I will be serving my chicken steaks in creamy mushroom sauce with pan roasted potatoes and steamed broccoli, peas, and carrots. This dish also goes great with mashed potatoes or pasta with maybe a crusty bread to mop up the sauce. chicken steaks have simmered in the creamy sauce for around 10 minutes, this dish is ready to be served. I'm gonna just garnish with some chopped chives. You can use parsley if you like. It is now time to serve this amazing restaurant level meal that was so incredibly easy. It is so flavorful and so juicy. You guys are gonna love it. Thank you for watching. Do try out this recipe and join me next time for more easy and delicious recipes. Bye for now.